Christmas travel can be fun, but for someone who is insulin resistant, pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetic, it needs proper, smart planning. You have to be extra proactive. So you will want to watch this video to the end without skipping any parts, so you can learn the exact must-have items in your Christmas travel bag. Also discover safe Nigerian snacks for the road and how to make your holiday journey stress-free and your blood sugar in control. Before diving into the video proper, this is a type of video you want a lot of Nigerian diabetics to have access to. So kindly give it a thumbs up at this moment and share so that it can reach Nigerians that actually need it. For a start, you must keep all your diabetes control essentials in a carry-on bag. What do I mean by a carry-on bag? You know, when you are going on a road trip in Nigeria, for instance, you have that small bag that you just hold maybe on your lap with you, where you have your phone and, you know, maybe a bottle of water or things that you can easily need, and cash also. Then you have your big luggage bag, the ones that the drivers would always put at the trunk of the car, the boots that they will put at the back of the bus. So always have your diabetes control essentials in the ones that you carry along with you where you are seated. Never make the mistake of putting them at the back of the car, because they should be handled with care and you don't need them to be pressed upon or damaged. Also, in cases where your luggage gets misplaced or lost or can't be found or something happens to it, because we have to prepare for unforeseen circumstances too. Yes, so in case this happens, you can be rest assured that you have your life-saving items with you. So because I understand that not everyone who is subscribed to this channel or who watches my video is completely off medication. So if you are on medication, you want to pack the double amount of medications that you need for the number of days that you are going on a journey. So let me explain. For instance, you are packed for a journey of 10 days. You want to spend 10 days in your village for Christmas, or you are traveling to another city for 10 days for Christmas. Some will do Christmas and New Year overlap. So if you feel okay, I'm going to spend 10 days, that means you have to pack with you or take with you medications that can last you for like 20 days, double the amount of days. And I will tell you why you need to do this. It's because delays and surprise longer stays are common during the festive season. You've only planned to stay for 10 days, but one of your uncles, one of your aunts that you've not seen in a long while, in years, just arrived the village, just arrived where you're at, and you just have to, you didn't plan to stay longer, but you just have to stay longer to, you know, get to gist with them, you know, get to relate with them and enjoy their company a little longer. Some of us, for the extra cash that you want to collect from them and all that. So during the festive seasons are always prone to surprise longer stays, the ones that you didn't even plan for. So you get your glucometer, get enough test strips and extra battery for your meter. Trust me, this can mess you up sometimes. In fact, most times all these the batteries, they don't give you warning. You just discover that you want to check your blood sugar one day, then to put it on, you discover that it's malfunctioning and you have to change the battery in order to be able to do your test and get accurate results. So always take along extra batteries for your Christmas travel. Now let's move on to talk about diabetes friendly snacks that you can take along with you for your road trips. Of course, when you are going for Nigerian road trips, you'll be seeing, as you are seeing someone that is selling sausage roll, gala here, you are seeing someone that is selling egg roll, you are seeing someone that is selling puff puff, you are seeing those that are selling chin chin, you are seeing those that are selling candies, see those that are selling cookies and biscuits. And of course, all these things are bad for you. You shouldn't take them. So what should you take? So what should happen? You should have planned yourself very well from home and take along diabetes friendly snacks. So I'll be sharing with you briefly now the diabetes friendly snacks that are good for road trips and travels especially during the festive season in Nigeria. And you should know that Nigerian roads can be unpredictable, so you need these snacks for two reasons. The number one reason is to treat a low blood sugar in case it happens to you. Then secondly is to prevent the low blood sugar in the first instance in case a meal is delayed. You know, sometimes you have planned before leaving home, oh, I'm not supposed to spend more than 3 hours for this journey, but one or two things will happen. You end up spending 6 hours, 7 hours on the road, even before the bus gets filled. Another thing, it could take extra time, so you just have to plan yourself ahead for all these delays and unpredictables. So you need to get along with you snacks that will keep your energy levels up without spiking your blood sugar. That is the goal. So try and take along or bring along with you roasted groundnuts, roasted cashew nuts. They are very good because they are high in healthy fat and protein to keep you full. So just get a handful portion of them, either a handful portion of roasted groundnuts or a handful portion of cashew nuts, of roasted cashew nuts. Also, you can bring along with you hard-boiled eggs. This is a perfect protein snack and is easy to carry about. It's not heavy. All these snacks, you must have them in the carry-on bag I mentioned earlier, the one that you will have with you where you are seated in the bus or in the car you are traveling in. Also, you can bring along garden eggs because they are also high in fiber and very low in carbohydrate, so you can eat a few on the road. Also, you can bring with you moi moi or akara, but note that it must be diabetes friendly moi moi or akara. So I have recipe videos on both. Fortunately for you, I have a recipe video on both on this channel, so feel free to check them here or here. So I've made a video on how you can make a diabetes friendly moi moi and also a diabetes friendly akara. Watch them so you can plan ahead and be able to take this along with you on your Christmas road trip for this year. Now, other key travel tips for you are stay hydrated. Yes, stay hydrated. Some of you diabetics or those who have blood sugar issues, you don't drink enough water, which is not good for you and your health. Drink plenty of water. The heat and the long the heat in the bus, oh my god, the heat in that car you are traveling with, coupled with a long journey, can dehydrate you, which affects your blood sugar. So you have to drink plenty of water, buy cold water on the way. Just ensure that you are well hydrated. Another tip is to wear comfortable shoes. Wear comfortable and protective shoes and try as much as possible to stretch your legs at intervals. So by following all these mentioned tips, you can travel safely, keep your blood sugar in check, and have a wonderful Christmas and New Year celebrations. If this video has helped you today, kindly give it a like this moment, share it, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the post notification so you don't miss out insightful videos from this channel. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.